Today I'm gonna show you how to install a graphics card in just a few simple steps. First, we're gonna remove the slot covers from the back of the case. Every PC case is a little different, but the basic idea is the same. In my case here, I'll start with this cover that sits on top of the screws, which we'll use later on to secure the GPU. Now, take off the cover that usually sits over the GPU ports. At first, I thought it was this one, but I rushed and didn't really check properly. My bad, but I'll eventually put it back later. Personally, I prefer to uncover the entire GPU area, but technically you only need to remove the one that's directly in line with your card slots. Next up, let's look at the motherboard. Identify the PCIe slot you will be using. I would suggest to read the manual and see which one offers the best compatibility with your GPU, but most of the time, realistically speaking, it's going to be the one closest to the CPU socket, as that usually offers the best performance and compatibility. And check that the PCIe slot lock is disengaged. Now align the card with the slot and press firmly until it clicks into place. The click might be loud or subtle, so if you're unsure, gently check for any resistance or simply verify if the slot lock has clicked into place. Once it's seated properly, secure your GPU by screwing it into the case on the side. If your case didn't come with the screws pre-installed, just use the ones included in the package, whichever fits the best. If needed, now is a great time to install a GPU SAC bracket for extra support, then plug in the power cables from your PSU. And that's it! Your graphics card is now installed and ready to go.